Hello, good day everyone. So today we're gonna make a matcha frappe. So ingredients that we need are, first is we need to have a milk, any kind of milk would do. And we need some matcha powder, any matcha powder will do also. Then we need a cup of ice for 1 serving. Now we can start making our matcha frappe. First, we need cup of ice. Next is we're gonna have a cup of milk. And matcha powder. Like this. Then we will add some sugar, around 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use honey or any. So next, we're gonna blend it. Just put the cover here tightly. Cup. So this is it, and we're gonna pour it in the cup. So good. We're gonna cover it. So this is now our matcha frappe. Yay! So I put a cover and a straw. Then you can put some whipped cream also if you like. So now let's ask for some feedback. How's it taste?